Okay, so in part 3, we're going to talk about the ways that this tool can be adapted to use in your facility. So we're going to talk about how our quick change in just a moment. But first, notice that the handlebars can be elevated or decreased in elevation by using these 2 bolts. So if your operator wants to adjust the position at which they are lowering to the ground or picking it up off the table, they can do that in a set configuration. Additionally, all of the pads are configured in such a way as to allow the operator, by pulling each individual pin, the operator can adjust the length. So right now this is set to pick up a 13.5 disc, but this unit is actually configured for both the discs and the pillars by adjustment of those paddles. And once in place, the pin just sets again and you operate as you would normally. Additionally, there are alignment positions. This allows the operator to make positive contact to the part, and that's adjustable depending on the depth. You can adjust these pins, which will lower these bars, and that will be your set position. All right, the last thing to discuss is the quick change functionality of the unit. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put it in a safe position. Okay, and you can see that we have positive air by manner of this green indicator. I'm going to disconnect the air line from the tool. Now, none of the functions on the handle are going to work. We've disconnected that function. However, you can see we still have positive air. Now, what that is going to allow you to do, using this safety release and the big red button, is to disengage the head assembly directly from the tool. With that done, we can now configure any tool with this head configuration to slide into this part. And as you can see, the operator presses those 2 buttons, places the new receiver inside, releases, and the part is locked. In terms of the functionality, in order to continue to use the unit, there is a pin back here. The operator is going to pull that pin, and that's going to allow the handle to separate from the unit and run independently from the rest of the tool. Replacing the unit back onto the receiver works exactly the same way. You're going to use that 2-button configuration. You see the green light is gone. That means you can connect. Now it's engaged, and you're going to reconnect your airline. Thank you very much.